to America.
That's my girl, that's my baby.
Them talk about Natty Dread. Them talk about Ballad. Them talk about Rastafari. Them talk about Selassie. But I hear if we talk about the King of the Most High. Him full of pity and him full of grace. But after time when I give him second place, I did hear about this man from I was at my knee. But I think I was too young to give him love eternally. I go to church Saturday after Saturday and I hear about him. But I couldn't realize then, because my eye was dim. Weeks and months and days passed by. But still for him, my heart a cry. God have a plan for every man. When you think your heart not need first aid, him just lick the church with a crusade. First night of crusade, God decided to make things brighter. But I said, bricks, Master God, check I later. When I think on all them kung fu show and party that I didn't miss, I said, no boy, I know take the risk. First night of crusade and second week of crusade, God decided to make a raid for when the preacher stopped the sermon and the spirit start to move. Me see man, woman, pick the child, run for him like cook food. I just grab my pride and fling it under a chair. I take my skirt tail and I wiggle my tail along there and say no more to factor. Master God, since as me come, I hope you make things brighter. For my life was only misery and strife. And since as you say you have sufficient grace, me decide to stop running the devil race. Me say, sinner friend, if misery and strife is the order of your day, nobody name up yourself. Check Jesus for you him give himself. My Jesus superstar, the man not ordinary at all.